Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna explain you how you can convert multiple values field into another table on which you have those multiple value field separated and counted according to another criteria. So in fact what you want to what you have at the beginning is this. So you have a row with multiple values. So here you have one separator to delimitate the value. So here this is a pipe. Here the same thing, you have the A3 cell which has three different values, some label, another label, test and test one. And what you want, actually you want this value to go over here, but by taking into consideration this one, which will be the same for this one and this one. And what you want to get at the end of the day is this, this result over here. So you want to get some label, which is the addition of row number 1 and row number 2, and same thing for another label, test. This is what you want to get at the end of the day. I got this example based on Mathemo Analytics, for which you cannot use yet multiple value custom dimensions. You need to use custom variable instead. And that's the reason why it shows. But the concept is the same for any other information system. So to say, I need to have a script in order to extract value out of a system of information, which is Mathemo Analytics, in order to convert what we call a list into individual values by taking this into consideration. All the scripts have been made by Lucas Winkler. You can find it on GitHub, and I really thank him for all the time he dedicated to this project. In order to make it work, what you need is just Python 3, because it's a script in Python which is over here. So it's a script which is not that long. If you remove the comment, you will see that it's just a dozen of line of code, no more. It's really impressive. I'm really thankful that he accepted to do it for me. Here you can see that you can edit the script. So to say, you can in fact just say, okay, instead of tab, because in the file that I was showing you, it was a tab which is delimiting the different column, and here the separator for the value is the pipe, which is in fact separating the different value. Okay, so all you need to do is to have Python 3, then you need to have your file, which in preference, if you don't want to edit this script, to be separated with tab and with pipe for the list. So of course you can directly edit your file, do a search and replace, for example, if you have comma separated value, and change them by pipe in order to make it work. Let's see it in practice. So you go on the place on which you download the script. So here is the URL. So the URL is over here. So you just need to go on GitHub and you download the script. Okay. Those two are just here for examples. They're just here for you if you want to compare your file that you are pushing in to those, in order to see if there are major differences, because of course the script is just supporting the different template that he has been set for, which are the tab and the pipe. So pay really attention to this. Once you do so, well, you just go over here, just open your terminal, and then what you do is just like a Python 3. So you call the script, then you just look for the script that you want. So to say here is script.py, and then you just put the file that you want the script to work on, and then you just make it. We're just gonna call it like demo.csv, and as you can see, it's doing all the work. And now I can just load this one up, and we will see that the file name demo.csv is the one that we have over here. So the script of Lucas is working amazingly fine and fast, and it's like processing all the data straight away and get exactly what you want. So to say, like splitting the different values and making them into just one field, and removing as well the duplicate and so on and so forth. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you have the time, do not hesitate to I don't know, just to like or to say thanks to Lucas for this great work. Thanks for watching.